Hi everybody, it's Sally from Sallystampers. Thank you for joining me today. Today I'm bringing you my slim sliding triangle bag. Another project that does what it says on the tin. It's slim, it's a triangle and it slides, and it's a little gift bag. It does come all the way out. It's a bit of a fiddle to put it back in, so I'm not going to do that. But yeah, I haven't used this DSP or this suite for a little while, so I figured now would be a nice time to get it back out again and have a little play. I've gone with quite a simple decoration, but again, decent size, a little bit of jewellery and some tissue paper. Probably not get a pair of socks in there unless you made it a little bit wider. Certainly you could put a few sweeties in there, and if it's just as a little thank you, then why not? It's really simple to make. So to start off with, you're going to need a piece of cardstock that is 8 3/4 by 6 inches. That's 23 by 15.5 centimetres. We're going to score the short side at 1 inch, which is 2.5 centimetres, and then we're going to score the long side at 3, 4, 7 and 8 inches, and that will be 8, 10.5, 18.5 and 21 centimetres. And then we're simply going to fold and burnish our score lines. If you wanted to do any stamping on this, obviously you need to do that before you put your score lines in, if you wanted to add any, that is. And then on these thin sections here, you just need to grab your ruler, and we're going to mark the halfway point of here. So for me it's 1/2 inch. Centimetres it will be 2, no it won't, it will be, let me have a think of this, 8, hang on a second, 8 and 10.5, so you'll be looking at 2.2, 2.3 to maybe get your centre point there. And then we're just going to score from the top to the bottom. I always forget when I do my centimetres that 2.5 doesn't really work that well. And I always forget. Okay, so once you've put those score lines in there, we're just going to cut the bottom sections here. And this is quite a quick and easy one to do actually. So I'm just going to give those a cut. We're going to pop some adhesive down this section here. Fold this over and seal that up. And then pop these in. And that one down. This is my front, so that's where my adhesive will go. And then as you can see, these then you just simply squeeze the top piece together and just guide those where they need to be, and that will automatically stay sort of together then when you squeeze the top, and it guides with those scores. Then your DSP, you need a long piece that is 3 by 12, so you want your full 12-inch DSP or 30.5 centimetres, and it's 3 inches wide or 8 centimetres wide. And then all I'm going to do here is pop the end of it on the base, and you know me, I don't do this measuring nonsense when it comes to this. So piece on there, then I'm going to bend just there, and I'm actually going to score this before I do any more, because, sorry, not score, burnish it, because it's, with it being quite long and it's DSP, it's a little harder. So that piece there, slide this one up here, and I'm now going to pop it on the desk because I need to pinch this together and fold this over the top, and then just refold it across the bottom there. And then, like I said, I'm just going to line that up, burnish that part, whoops, and then this one again, just fold it over. And then before I adhere it, where's the back? That's the back. That's the back. So I'm just going to fold these over, just ensure that everything fits, and it does. So I'm just going to add some adhesive now on this strip here, and again pop it back on. And then fold that in, and then this one, whoops, over the top. Make sure those sides are equal, and there is your wrap. And then this will just slide in and out, and then we just need to decorate it. So I have some, I've already done my plants here just because I figured it would save a little bit of time. So I need the little net that it sits on, and I also need my sentiment, wherever that's gone. No, where is it? Oh, it is that one. I clearly can't read back to front. So I'm just going to pop that on there. So I'm going to stamp this one in Evening Evergreen. So I'm just going to stamp my sentiment just on here, just on the corner. Then it makes it easier to cut it out straight. And then I just need, oh crumbs, bear me 2 seconds. Thank you. Oh, thank you. Oh, sorry, that was so much easier than trying to stop and do the video again. Okay, so I just need a piece for this here. And then I need my adhesive sheet. Now I am still using my old ones here, but they still do the same thing. Still do the same. So I'm going to pop that on there, cut this out. I'm just looking through the light to see where a bit of card is. Right, that's that. So I'm going to use that to cut through there. So here's my little machine. Oh, why does a parcel always arrive when you're mid-filming? I bet it's my son as well, because I'm fairly confident I haven't ordered anything. Okay, so we're going to run this through here. And I'm actually just going to go forwards and backwards, just so as I make sure it's gone through, because it's obviously got that extra bit. Let's move this. Okay. Pop these bits out. And just pop those bits out too. And then I have that. Okay, so I am going to do my sentiment next. So I just need to trim that bit there. And then I need to pop it on. I think I'm going to go with some grey granite that I haven't got out. It's not going well, this, is it? There we go. So I'm just going to adhere that onto there and cut this one out. And then add this with some dimensionals, and then just pop my hanging plant, and we're there. A cute little project. And even with a parcel arriving, we still didn't take too long. So pop that on the top, and then I'm just going to take the backing off this, pop my plant pot on first, then my greenery, and then I'm just going to pop it over and add a little bit more adhesive on this part, because obviously now that's covered the sticky bit. And then I kind of just went with hanging it from underneath, and there we go. There is my slim sliding triangle bag. Thank you for joining me. Sorry for the little interruption, and I'll see you all again soon.